When you pick up a glass bottle, there's nothing more premium. Holding it in your hand, seeing the well-blown glass, the embossing or debossing, the texture in the glass, the weight of the bottle. When you get to premium and super premium spirits, glass is the champion, 100%. Verallia are known for making some of the world's most iconic bottles. We have long established partnerships with brands like Whittakers. We have been there since day one, since their first releases. And, you know, it's something that hopefully we can do over the generations to come.
With his chest hair getting excited.
Just tickling.
Verallia and Whittakers Whisky, take one.
I'm Toby, this is my wife Jane. We have been making gin for just over 9 years and more recently whiskey for 5 years.
We are just outside Harrogate in the North Yorkshire Dales, definitively Nidderdale. We've lived here for many, many years, and the distillery was just a natural progression of us living here.
What can we do in our own backyard? And it just sort of went from that.
I think it's really good to make a product that you actually love, and I think that's what we've done with Whittakers. The passion for whiskey was from when we started, and we always were, that was always our goal, was to start the whiskey production. The whiskey bottle obviously was the most important part of the branding for the whiskey.
Even though the bottle has a real premium look, sustainability was also important to the design process and what we did. We were able to take out a considerable amount of weight out of the bottle, which is going to future-proof them over the next couple of years as bottle weights and sustainability become more and more important to consumers.
We have been approached by so many bottle producers, and they offer you the world, but if we were ever going to have one, it would have been with Verallia.
My dad actually had a printing business literally just not far away from Verallia in Leeds. So yeah, that's a connection going back 50 years.
We've tried to do everything from Yorkshire and to keep it local.
A lot of people don't know that Yorkshire is known globally for their glass-making abilities. We've got people that have been working for us that have been working in glass for multiple generations, and there's a lot of history in what we do.
We went to Nottingley to see the bottle being made.
And it was like, oh, we're sort of having our bottles made with the big boys now.
Just,
it was really quite
just quite bizarre,
overwhelming. Actually, it was. You can't quite believe it.
You do get a sense of the community of these people that are working in the factory and how much passion they put into it. The scale of it and the quality checks that are in place at every stage of the process.
And they're all manned.
Yeah.
That was the thing that I found.
There's a guy there watching every single bottle.
And that's very similar to the process we use here. Everything is done by hand. That's what keeps quality, definitely.
It's world class on our doorstep. How good is that?
Knowing that somebody is down the road and somebody cares about your business and you can always collaborate with them is super important. It's been an absolute pleasure working through the project so far with Whittakers, and we're looking forward to many, many years of future collaborations.
To have that familiarity and friendship, that goes without saying. And it's a nice way of living. It doesn't have to be all uphill. You can, chat to people and enjoy your life as opposed to being on the treadmill. You can get by a lot more easily if you communicate and make friends.
And it's been a really, really fabulous journey.
See 36,000 bottles being made all at once. You go, that's amazing, but we've got to
fill them.
We've got to fill these. Yeah. What I'm working on is for the next order of 36,000 bottles.
We want to be in the business for a long, long time, and that's why we've taken so much care. In 10 years' time, we want to be that whiskey company that's still producing high-end, beautiful whiskey that's in beautiful bottles. We're really excited about this part of the journey. Is that cool?
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's great. Thank you very much.